Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cool Mint Listerine mouthwash. Measure about 20 ml, pour, tilt your head slightly back, and swish vigorously for 30 seconds. Do not swallow the mouthwash and spit into the sink when finished. Use once or twice a day after brushing or flossing to reduce germs and maintain fresh breath. Keep the cap closed and store in a cool place away from children. Start by measuring the correct dose on the cap or with a dosing cup, about 20 ml. Place the liquid in your mouth, tilt your head back a bit, and swish vigorously so it reaches teeth, gums, and the back of your tongue. Gargle for a few seconds to reach the throat area. Spit the mouthwash into the sink and avoid eating or drinking for 30 minutes to allow ingredients to keep working. Be mindful about storage and dosage to avoid accidental ingestion, especially around children. Do not swallow cool Mint Listerine and avoid mixing it with other oral products or household chemicals. If you experience persistent irritation, burning, or a strange metallic taste, stop use and check with your dentist. Also avoid use if you have a known allergy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.